What is going on, guys? David Productions 345 here. You guys see the title. I'm giving my car a wash today. Got the stuff in the passenger seat. I'm gonna just be driving to the wash, and then I'm going to be filming how I wash my car. I low-key want to do a little bit of a highway POV. You know what? I'm gonna do that because I haven't done one of those. I might be going out filming later today too with one of my friends, so hopefully I can film 2 videos today. Be pretty cool. A lot of people ask me how did I get this? This is with the Taser. I have a video now that I made of it. I think I made it last week. So make sure you check it out. I'll leave it linked in the card in the top right. Alright, come on, let's go, bud. This ramp right here, you can hit it like 80 easily. Alright, so we're gonna stay in automatic right now. Guys, I hate being next to trucks. It's like actually really annoying. Wow. Guys, we're on the highway, oh my gosh.
What?
People over here who are just sitting in the fast lane, not going fast, you're ruining the vibes, man. Oh, that wasn't the right idea. It's a nice area. The reason I go to this wash over here is because I like it better and it's usually more chill, so I can kind of chill when I film and stuff. So here we go, we made it. Spray and wash. Alright guys, we made it. So the first step I like doing is, so I don't really have to pay when the timer's running out, is I get my wheel and tire stuff.
Nice.
Wheel and tire cleaner. Let it soak on the wheels. Give it a couple minutes and then we start the timer. So you want to hit every wheel, let it soak, rub it in, and we rinse the car, and we soap the car, so then you don't have to worry about washing your wheels when the timer's running, wasting your money, blah blah blah. So 2. It's all hella muddy over here. My wheels get hella dirty, so I'm glad I'm doing this today. It looks like an overcast day, and hopefully those are not rain clouds. I'm gonna be very sad if they are. Stuff is also low-key kind of toxic too, so be careful.
Okay.
Don't inhale it. Alright, all 4 tires are sudsed up.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So what we're gonna do next is rubbing them in.
What do you mean by that?
I don't have the barrel brush for my setup. Haven't gotten one of those yet. Spray a little bit more on. Spray a little bit on the brush. I gotta rub and clean. So yeah, there's that. Now we're gonna actually start the cleaning. First step is rinse. Off, and then let's go rinse. I'm gonna rinse this off first, and I'm gonna put this in the trunk.
Oh, hell no, man.
No. Ugh. Good enough. Put this in here. So I'm gonna cut the audio out because it's kind of loud. So I'm gonna rinse the whole car and then I'll catch up with you guys after. Next step, soap. Don't get too much water in the Hellcat air box if you have it. All right, she's soaped up. All right, last step, rinse. All right, we're good. Last step. Depends on the day, but sometimes I don't do this because I just drive home really fast, so it automatically dries, I guess. Just got home, guys, and look at the car. It's perfectly clean. Everything dried off. Towel method worked, and flooring it on your way home worked.
Nice.
A little bit dirty there, but it's all right. I was just cruising around a little bit, and I'm actually about to film a POV drive, so this whole thing's about to get dirty again, but it is what it is. But let's get to the next scene, guys. Anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video about how I wash my car in the winter. Like a quick little wash, but anyways, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications on, share this video with your friends. Without further ado, guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.